Okay, we're doing a video here for, I think we're going to do objectives 18 and 19 in one video here because they're very similar objectives. So we're in the money textbook. If you don't have that, hit pause, go grab that. Objective 18 starts on page 29 here. If you've already done objectives 16 and 17, 18 and 19 are going to be very similar. They're going to use things from 16 and 17, but it's going to be kind of sometimes more than one step, more steps involved in 16 and 17. So let's get started. Problem number 51, we'll read it here, the work's up here. So they want to buy a 19-inch computer monitor. The store is offering 25% discount off the regular price of $145.99. What is the price of the monitor after the discount? Okay, so this one is a more than one step, but one thing that we're doing in the problem, it's going to follow down here. Sale price is going to be the original price minus the amount of the discount. And so we're usually going to have to do a step within the step to find the amount of the discount. A lot of times they're not just going to tell you that. So 51, it says it's 25% discount off the regular price. Okay, so 25% of $145.99 means 0.25. Okay, we'll move this twice. So we have to find the percent of this, meaning times, change that to a decimal, times here. Okay, and so I represented that math right here. Okay, when you take that times that, it's going to give you $36 and 0.4975, and we'll round that after we get to the final answer. So that's the amount of the discount. So we take the regular price, $145.99, minus this 36, basically $36.50. It's going to equal $109 and then 0.4925. We're going to round this, so we're rounding to two numbers past the decimal. So look at the next number. If this is a 0 to 4, this stays the same. 5 to 9, this bumps up, so this is going to stay at 49 cents. So the answer is $109.49. Okay. Number 52. They have a coupon for 20% discount off the price of shoes at a department store. She has selected a pair of shoes for her son. The original price of these shoes is $39. What is the price after the discount? So this is basically the same problem. So you'll see the same setup. We have the regular price here. We need to find the amount of the discount, which is 20% of 39. So we change that 20% to, again, you move this twice. You go 1, 2, so 0.20 times 39. That gives you the $7.80 is the amount of the discount. So we take 39 minus $7.80 equals $31.20. Okay. Why do we keep getting cut off here? Number 53. He decides, this guy's going to, or she decides to start running after work. She's going to buy running shoes priced at $45 and a sweatshirt priced at $18. She has a coupon for 15% off the sweatshirt, and the store is having a 30% off shoe sale. How much money will she save, okay, by using her coupon and buying the shoes at sale? Okay. Now, I think this is one problem that I actually did wrong on here, because the question says how much money will she save, and I think what I found, I went through and basically did the two problems like I did up here, and I found the total. Okay, so let me explain what I did wrong and what the actual answer should be. So I did exactly what was up here. The shoes are $45 and they have a 30% off sale. So 30 0.3 for 30% times 45. That gives you this. The sale or the discount is $13.50 on the shoes. Well, 45 minus that, the shoes are going to cost $31.50. The sweatshirt is a 15% off coupon, so 0.15 times the price of the sweatshirt, 18. That means the discount is going to be, I jumped over here to show that. It's $2.70, and then subtract that from the original price, so the sweatshirt ends up costing $51.30. And then I took the price of the shoes, $31.50, plus the price of the sweatshirt, and added them together. Now, okay, if the question was how much will they cost together, this would have been the answer. Okay, this would be the answer. But I went too fast on this problem and I didn't look at what the question said. It said, how much will she save? So there's two ways you could do this. You could add the two original prices, 45 and 18, minus this 46.80. So if I did that, I take 45 plus the 18, that would be $63. And the sale, after the coupon and the sale, you're going to pay $46.80. So I subtract those two, and I'll get $16.20. Okay, so that's one way you could do that. That's how much she's going to save, because the $46.80 is $16.20 less than 63. Or we can take the discount amount. So the shoes, when I took 30% of 45, that's a discount of $13.50. And then the sweatshirt, 0.15 times 18, or 15% of 18, is $2.70. So those are the two discounts. So I'm saving $13.50 on the shoes, I'm saving $2.70 on the sweatshirt. Those are going to add up to $16.20. Okay, so the actual answer for number 53 is not A. That's how much they actually cost, but the question says how much will she save? It should be letter B. Okay. 54. Appliances having a clearance sale. All refrigerators in stock are discounted 25%. He wants to buy a model that is priced $599.99 before the discount. How much? Again, it says how much will he save on the price. So basically what you're saying there is how much is the discount. Okay. So you're going to take 25%. So you move this twice. 1, 2 is 0.25 times $599.99. Going to give you this 149.9975. So we have to round to this spot. We look at the number after. Because this is between 7 and 9, this bumps up. Well, if it's at 99, that's going to, if you have 149.99 and you have to bump that up a penny, that's going to move that up to $150. Okay? If you have questions on that rounding stuff, let me know. Number 55. They went shopping to buy some new clothes. At one store, they bought a blouse priced $14. They also bought 2 packages of socks, so that's going to be key. 2 packages of socks, originally priced at $13 per package, but on sale for 60% off. What is the total price of the items purchased? So, a couple key things here. First, the blouse is not on sale. So the blouse is $14. So I'm just bringing that down towards our total. Okay. Now the socks. First thing, 2 packs at $13 a piece, regular price. So regular price are going to cost $26. Okay. Now they are 60% off. So you move the decimal twice. It's 0.60. So we have the regular price minus the discount. The discount is 0.60 times the regular price, 26. that gives you this $15.60 here. That's how much the discount is. Okay, which makes sense. It should be more than half because 60% is more than half. Take the regular price minus the discount. You get $10.40. So that's how much you're actually paying for the socks. So the blouse is regular price $14. Okay, the socks on sale are going to be $10.40. You add the two together, and you get your $24.40. Okay. Last one on objective 18, and then we'll move to objective 19. Number 56 here. A store is having a sale. All sheet sets and blankets have been marked down 20%. All small appliances in stock have been marked down $15. Customer has selected a sheet set priced at $89.99 and a mixer priced at $149.99 before the sale. What will the total price of the two items be after the discount? So the sheet set is very similar to some of these other problems we've done. It's 20%. We move it twice. That's 0.20. So the regular price is $89.99 minus the discount, and we have to go the 0.20 times $89.99 gives us this discount here. Almost $18. When we round, it will be, but we get the 17.998. Subtract regular price minus the discount gives you $71.992. So we round that, gives you $71.99. So that's how much for the sheet set. The price for the mixer is actually easier. Okay, looks like we'll cut off here a little bit, but is actually easier. The discount here is not a percent, it's just a straight amount. Okay, so we don't have to do the percent and times the original amount. We just go $149.99. It's a $15 discount. We just minus 15, so that costs $134.99. Okay, so we take the price of the sheet set, $71.99. Price of the mixer, $134.99. We add them together, and this got cut off here. It should be $206.98. Okay, letter C. Okay, so that is number 56, and that's it for objective 18. Okay. Objective 19. It's going to be the same type of problems. So now we're solving a problem that involves sales tax and or discount. So the difference here, we're still going to be dealing with percents and changing the original price of stuff. But now we're looking at when it's a sales tax, we add. When it's a discount, we subtract. Okay, so let's take a look at 57. Selling all stoves for 30% off the original prices. What is the total cost to buy a stove originally priced $559.99 if there's a 7% sales tax to be added to the sales price? Okay, so there's two things going on here. We have a sale and then we have a tax. Okay, we're going to do the sale is to be done first, and then you're going to be taxed at what you pay for. Okay, so we can cut off here again. So let's do the discount first. Original price minus the percent times the original price. So the amount of the discount. Okay, we multiply here. This one I wrote it over here. I went horizontally here, right in the problem. So we have the amount of the stove. 0.30 times the original price gives you a discount of $167.997. Now we're going to subtract the $559.99. Okay, minus 167.997. So if we subtract those, I don't know, it's cut off here a little bit. We get, it should say 391, and it's a 9 $3,993. So that's the price of the stove after the discount. Okay, so we round that, it'd be $391.99. Now we got to add 7% sales tax. Remember, 7%. Okay, we've done problems like this in the other objectives, but we move that twice. 1, 2. There's an open spot, so we put a 0 in there. Okay, so we start with $391.99. We're going to add 7% of that. So when we multiply there, that gives us 27.4393. I'm just going to leave that there, and I'm going to add. So the regular, or the price that we're paying plus this 27.4393, it's going to give us 419.4293. We're going to round to here, so we have to look at the next number. Because that is between 5 and 9, this bumps up, and we get 419.43. Okay, letter A. Okay, 58. Similar type problem, but this one includes 2 sales, I believe. It says they have a coupon for 20% off the price of any one item in the store, including items on sale. She decides to buy a pair of shoes that is on sale for 25% off the original price of $55. What is the cost of the shoes before the sales tax? So basically you have to do what we did in objective 18 and just do it twice. Okay. One thing to not do here, sometimes people see 20% off and 25% off. Okay, and they say, oh, that's 45% off. Okay, kind of makes sense, but you first have to do the items on sale. So you're going to do 25% off that original price. Now that it's going to be a new price, a lower price, and that's what you're taking 20% of. Okay, you're not doing 25% of that, of the $55, and then 20% of the $55. So you'll see what I mean as we do the problem here. So we start off with the sales price, which is 25% off. So that's 0.25 times 55. When we do that, we get the amount of the discount. So regular price is 55, discount's $13.75. We subtract. So the price, the sale price is now $41.25. Now, something that doesn't always get to happen at stores, you get to use a coupon on the sale price. So you take the sale price and the coupons for 20% off of that. So 0.20 times the 41.25. So you multiply here, and that gives you $8.25. Okay, so you take the sale price minus the discount of $8.25, and you're going to be left with $33. Okay. All right, number 59. This one's a little different. We have to remember back to some stuff we've looked at before. It says on a trip, they bought a souvenir priced at $13.08. The total cost was $14.13 after sales tax was added. To the nearest percent, what was the sales tax rate that he was charged? So you're actually finding the percent here. You're not finding a new price. They give you the original price and they give you the price after tax. So we're finding a percent change, and this has been a while. I don't remember exactly what objective we talked about before, but a percent change, you do the percent of change, or the amount of change on top, and on the bottom is the original amount. Okay, so the top, we're going to figure out how much it changed. Okay, so it went, you just go bigger minus smaller, because you'll just do increase or decrease after, okay, by just saying the word. In this case, it's going to be increase because it's a tax, but you take the bigger amount minus the smaller one, so the ending amount minus before tax. So you subtract those two, 14.13 minus 13.08, you get $1.05. The key here is the original amount goes on the bottom. It's not the bigger amount or the smaller amount or whatever. It's what it was first. And here it was $13.08 first. Then they added the tax to get to $14.13. So that goes on the bottom. You're going to divide. So $1.05 divided by $13.08. You're going to get 0.0802. Okay, and then it says to the nearest percent. So we're going to round. Once we're at 8, we move this twice, we're going to be at basically 8.02%. And so that's going to round to 8% instead of 9%. Okay. Number 60. They're having a shoe sale. Every purchase is discounted 20% of the pre-tax subtotal. Customer selected one pair of shoes at $49.45 and one at $38.99. So they're buying 2 pairs of shoes. Sales tax is 4%. What's the total discount? So this would be very similar to number 57. We have to do a discount and then add a tax. First thing we need to do, even before we start that though, is find what the total is before the sale and the tax. So they're buying 2 pairs of shoes. One for $49.45, another for $38.99. So the first thing is find the total before any discounts. $88.44. Okay. Then, now we have a 20% discount. So we move that over twice, 0.2 times the $88, or $88.44. Multiply that, we get this almost between $17 and $18 in a discount. We subtract and round, and the sales price then is $70.75. Then we take that and we have to add a 4%. So here's the price we're paying. 4%, again, you move that twice. Up here, move it twice, it gives you 0.04 times the amount that we're buying them for. These multiplied together gives you a tax of $2.83. We add that to the amount that it came to, the $70.75, and we get $73.58. Okay, and we got 2 more problems left. Number 61. Manager of a store discounted all lamps 40% 1 week. Then she dropped prices by additional $10. Okay. And then it says a customer bought a lamp that was originally priced at $191. What did the lamp cost after 2 discounts and a 5% sales tax? So first thing, we start with $191, 40% discount. So move that twice, 0.40 times 191 gives us a discount of $76.40. So original price minus the discount. After that first discount, it is now priced $114.60. Okay. The second discount is not a percentage, it's just a straight amount of money. They're taking $10 off. So the $114.60 minus 10 gives you a price of $104.60. Right? Now, same type of system we've been doing. We're going to add a tax to that. So we have the price that we're buying it for. 5% tax. We move that twice. We get 0.05 times the price. Gives us a tax of $5.23. Add that to the $104.60. We get $109.83. And the last problem, the subjective. 62 says the price of a $53 item was discounted 35%. Then the reduced price was discounted 40%. The final price was $20.67. To the nearest percent, what single discount percentage would produce the same final price? So this one can be very confusing what to do. It ends up being very similar to number 59, but it reads a lot different. So one thing people get confused about is they tell you it was discounted 35% and then they tell you 40%, and you're trying to figure out something to do with those. You don't have to do anything with those. That's just information. The key here is that it went from $53, it went down to $20.67, and we need to find what percent did that account for. Okay, don't just take 40 and 35 and say 75%. Okay, that's not correct. So we do this formula we did before, the change in the amount over the original amount. Okay, so to find the change in the amount, it was 53. It went down to $20.67. So we subtract those. That means it went down $32.33. Okay. Bottom number, remember, it's not the smaller, not the bigger, it's what it originally was. In this case, that's a bigger number. So 53 goes on the bottom. Then you divide, you get 0.61, change it to a percent. 61% discount is what actually took place. Okay. So that's objectives 18 and 19. Okay. When you get done with that, go into your workbook. There's 6 problems for 18 with the answers, 6 problems for 19 with the answers. Try those, see how you're doing. Ask questions if you're not understanding, and then add that to your next test. If you have any questions, let me know.